Adding squats to your workouts can help boost your exercise performance, decrease your risk of injury, and keep you moving more easily throughout the day. But these are just a few of the benefits. Watch out for the video for more benefits that squats have to give you. Hey viewers, welcome to Fitnify, where we inspire you to live healthy lifestyle. The squat is a dynamic strength training exercise that requires several muscles in your upper and lower body to work together simultaneously. These muscles help power you through daily tasks such as walking, climbing stairs, bending, or carrying heavy loads. One exercise that has the ability to challenge most of the muscles in your body is the squat. The list of squat benefits is lengthy. But to summarize, here are 6 key benefits of doing squats. 1. Crushes calories. Calorie burning is often equated with aerobic exercises such as running or cycling. Right? But performing high-intensity, compound movements like the squat can also crush some serious calories. 2. Strengthens the muscles of your lower body. From getting out of bed, to sitting down in a chair, your glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, adductors, hip flexors, and calves are responsible for almost every move you make. Hence, your lower body boasts some of your largest and most powerful muscles. Strength training exercises like squats can help strengthen and tone the muscles in your lower body. 3. Strengthens your core. A strong core can improve your balance, ease pain in your low back, and also make it easier to maintain good posture. Having strong core muscles can make everyday movements like turning, bending, and even standing easier. To watch the video on more exercise for core strength, tap the link above. 4. Reduces the risk of injury. When you strengthen the muscles in your lower body, you're better able to execute full body movements with correct form, balance, mobility, and posture. Incorporating squats in your overall workout routine also helps strengthen your tendons, ligaments, and bones, which may help reduce your risk of injury as well. 5. Boosts athletic ability and strength. In a 2016 study, it was investigated on the effects of jump squat training done 3 times a week over the course of 8 weeks. Based on the results of the study, the researchers concluded that jump squat training has the ability to improve several different athletic performances simultaneously. Hence, if you compete in a sport, adding jump squats to your workout may help you develop explosive strength and speed, which, in turn, may help improve your athletic performance. 6. It can be done anywhere. You don't need any equipment to do bodyweight squats. All you need is your body and enough room to lower your hips into a sitting position. Once you master the basic squat, there are many different types of squat variations you can try. Changing up the basic squat allows you to target different muscle groups. Before moving on to squat variations, make sure you have mastered the basic squat movement. These exercises are more challenging and require more strength, flexibility, and core activation. Some of the variation includes back squats, overhead squats, jump squats. Here is a bonus for you. When performed correctly, this functional exercise also boosts your calorie burn, helps prevent injuries, strengthens your core, and improves your balance and posture. If you have a health condition or an injury, be sure to talk to your doctor or a certified personal trainer before adding squats to your fitness routine. How many sets of squats are you doing today? Comment below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the bottom right corner. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.